here in New Orleans. At least that's where I landed. And we are currently driving to New Iberia, I think that's how you pronounce it, Louisiana. The Boot. We are in The Boot. It's what locals call it, apparently. This customer, his name is Michael, Mr. Vitto, called us up about 2.5 weeks ago or so and was like, hey man, I've been doing a lot of research and it seems as if the V2 is the best kit out there. And I've got a 2026 Stingray or HTC. And I want some doors. So I was like, well, thank you, for the compliment and the vote of confidence in our kits. Because obviously I can't say that because it just sounds pretentious as well as arrogant as well as cocky and a few other things that I would say. That when I talk about the V2 and if I say how good it is, then it just comes off wrong. So, but I appreciate the sentiment nonetheless.
All right, that should be good.
I am here in New Iberia, right? Is that how you say?
New Iberia, Louisiana.
New Iberia, Louisiana, with Mr. Michael Vitto. It has been a pleasure meeting you, by the way. I just want to say your hospitality has been great.
Thank you.
We are with his beautiful, finally get to see one in person. Damn, what's the name of this color?
Roswell green.
Yes, the Roswell green. Sorry, I don't know why I forgot that color. And this thing looks amazing in person, especially in the sun with like the gold flake. When I was painting your caps, I was talking about that with like how in the light, how just the color pops.
The gold come out.
Yeah, the gold really comes out and it really, really stands out. It's really, really nice. So, what do you think now that you're looking at it when it's done? What are your thoughts?
Excellent. I'm glad I did business with you and I love it. I looked at all of the others and this seemed to be the better kit on the market. And I really took my time before I made that decision.
I really appreciate that. What the whole intent was designing this, was to be different, but different in a better way. To focus on the areas where the other kit kind of lacks with the how much pressure you need, how heavy it is, just ease of use. Kind of our main focus, obviously, with this kit. Was it what you were expecting?
It's more than what I was expecting.
Yeah.
The doors are easier to come up than I would have expected to be. And I saw some of the other kits was a little bit more difficult lifting them up.
Yeah.
So I like that even more.
Do you want to show people how you close the door?
Okay.
All right, let's do it. Yes, we are in his front yard.
This will be my first time.
Is that easier getting in than it was before?
Oh, much easier.
So,
I would always mark up right here. My longer legs would mess up that area right there. So it's tremendous ease now. Very easy.
Very easy?
Yes.
What about lifting? It was easy pulling it down?
Very easy.
And you'll get used to it, obviously, more. It'll be easier because you've not really done this before. So
no, this is my first time.
Muscle memory.
Yep.
How do you open the door?
And it release right there. And then you just take it up. Easy.
Easy. So that hesitation was the safety feature that's built in, so it prevents you from making contact if the clearance isn't there. So like you handle that well. You pushed it out a little bit more and then went up to go up with the rollerball system.
Okay.
So,
Good.
I mean, it's been awesome. Working on this color in this car, I feel like for me, I've done so many of these things where now I get excited more for the color. Like what's different? What specs different? And this car in this color was one of the ones that I've been looking forward to the most because in the pictures it's great. So like remember back in like 2020 when they released photos of like the amp orange or the Sebring orange. The photos looked great. It was like bright, vibrant color.
Yep.
But I think that's what it was. It was like the vibrancy setting. But you see that car in person, it's so dull and just so flat, and it's not the prettiest color. But this is amazing color.
I appreciate this.
Would you recommend Eikon?
Highly would recommend it. Highly would recommend it. And after taking a look at all of them, you're definitely the better product.
I would appreciate that.
Definitely.
Do appreciate that.
You're here in Louisiana for a reason, because I looked at all of the other ones. I do my homework before I do something.
And the weather here is, what is it, like 76 degrees, 75 degrees
now.
It's super, super nice. Last time I was here, it was not so nice. It was humid, hot.
It get hot here.
Oh yeah, it gets hot. It gets hot.
You might think of Florida only being hot, but it get hot in Louisiana.
It's that humidity. I am not a humidity fan. That's why I love living in Phoenix. So there's no No humidity there.
Yep.
No humidity there.
Yep.
Well, Michael, it was my pleasure. I am so happy that you are thrilled and that you enjoy this and that you like it and that it was to your expectation or exceeded your expectation. I really appreciate that. It really was truly an honor.
Thank you.
And meeting your buddy, what was his name?
As Moby, Theo, and Flea. Ernest. And the son.
There's a little bit of a crowd here, which was awesome, and I like that. And then we've got a Z06 back there, as you can see in the background.
We're gonna send that your way too. We're gonna send that Z06 your way. Yep.
Well, we appreciate it.
Not hard at all. It's almost like it draws it in.
Yeah. So the V1s actually did that. Like, so we had a ball on there. It was a design flaw, part of the V1 kind of issues, but this one, it will stay open unless you give it a little bit of a push. So definitely like the change on that.
I'm definitely glad I got your product though.
What's going on with this? What has been done to that?
This I'm about to race him in a little bit.
Oh yeah?
Nice supercharged.
Oh, yeah. I can see that. What's the horsepower?
800. I give it a good honest 820.
Wow.
The driver, the kit, instead of doing heads, cam, and changing all that, you get the supercharger, the fuel pump, and the injectors. And I upgraded this intercooler. I got the thicker intercooler, and basically it.
It's a beautiful car.
Thank you.
Can't wait for the race.
Oh, you gonna do it? I live for the racing. I don't know. I got respect for a Z06.
So we're heading to the race location where the 826 horsepower Mustang is gonna battle the Z06. Bet. Who's gonna win? Put in the comments. Who do you think is gonna win? If I have to bet, just because the gearing in the C8 I know is just so phenomenal, this is a tough call. But I'm gonna say the C8. I'm gonna say it. That's my bet, C8. Hey Pickles, I need some information on two vehicles. I need to know the curb weight of what I think is about a 2020 Ford Mustang and a 2025-ish Corvette Z06. What's the curb weight of both those cars?
The 2020 Ford Mustang's curb weight ranges roughly from about 3,542 pounds for the EcoBoost up to around 3,891 pounds for higher trims. For the 2025 Corvette Z06, curb weight depends on configuration, but it's generally around 3,600 to 3,800 pounds, depending on whether it's a coupe or convertible and its trim.
Okay, so the weights are pretty close. This is a GT, so we'll see. What's happening? Are they coming this way? I think the Vet's want to win.
Yeah, you see.
Just because of the gearing.
I didn't watch the Coyote go before, but I heard about it. You know, I really did. I heard about it. Yeah, get ready, get ready.
They take this shit for real down here.
With it, so don't test me. Wow. Undress me, swing with a rap, I might go lefty. I may plus with it, so don't test me. Nah, you don't impress me, so don't test me. Nah.
Well, I was wrong on my bet. I was wrong with my bet.
Hey, listen. The reaction time was perfect.
Yeah, that was a nice launch. Yeah. There they go. I heard the three horns. Oh, the vet got him that time. That's how they do it down here in Louisiana.
It looked good?
It looked good, yeah. It looked good when he beat you the first time.
Well, I had to get off.
Oh, I knew it.
Yeah, I had to. Yeah,
I know it. They had people coming on So you had to get off.
I gotta go get that Z06 now.
Oh, Z06 is bad.
That fucking sound good. Like, hey, it sounds like a supercar.
It does. It does.
That Z01.
Yeah, the 01, yeah.
Yeah.
It was nice meeting you guys, man. It was a pleasure. It was a pleasure.
Have a safe
I'm heading to Alabama. It's nice meeting you, man. Tim, nice to meet you. Awesome, man. Nice to meet you guys.
You got your good one.
Got the footage. Got the race. Got the race. That was awesome. I have never, ever like been a part of or seen that in real life. Obviously, you see it all the time on TVs and or on the TV and in movies and stuff like that, but I've never been actually part of that. So that was really cool. That is the best part. They were asking me earlier when I started the install, and obviously the install part wasn't filmed, but I feel like there's plenty of videos out there where you've seen me tear the car apart, put everything on. I think every once in a while it's okay to not have to do all that. They were asking me earlier, during the install, like, what is the craziest, what is the most memorable, types of things during the installations? Because obviously I've met hundreds of people, thousands of people actually. I have to say every single time I show up to do an install, it's always different. The people are different, the customers are different, obviously. The city, state, country is different. So that is kind of cool in of itself. So many awesome moments and great times doing this over the years, from now street racing and to getting on jet skis and jet skiing up and down rivers and canals and stuff with other customers. Like, it has been great. Overall, it's been great, and I can't thank you guys enough for my memories that I'll have for the rest of my life because of you, so that to me means everything to me. This definitely is something that I'll never forget, and it's moments like this, things like this that stand out to when I come back in the area. I'm definitely going to reach back out to these guys and see what they're up to, stop by, say hi, and maybe catch another race with a couple different vehicles. You never know. You never know. I'm going to call it a night because I have a drive to Alabama for our next install, or at least, for the next install. So, can't thank you guys enough for your support, watching the videos, supporting Eikon, the belief in Eikon. You all know, we've had a plagued history. Thankfully, 90% of it was bullshit, and it's not real. And it's just myth and rumors and accusations from either jealous competition. But I do know one thing. I absolutely love doing this, and the V2 is a phenomenal kit, and I couldn't be more proud with it. So, until next time, guys, I'm signing out from New Iberia, Louisiana. Take care.
I'm invincible.